खुद से बैठते थे रात भर, मतलब रात में 2 बजे तक, और इंसेंटिव्स बहुत अच्छे देते थे पढ़ने के कि मतलब 2-3 घंटा पढ़ लो, फिर 10-15 मिनट साथ में बैठ के गाने सुनेंगे, वाइब करेंगे। फिर
दे स्टार्टेड टेकिंग क्लासेस टिल 4 o'clock रात में।
लाइव क्लासेस काफ़ी अच्छी हैं, जो रात 2 बजे तक चले, 4 बजे तक चले, फर्क नहीं पड़ता, पर काफ़ी अच्छा है।
I was able to clear this exam because of your marathon classes only. Last 4 to 5 months, I was solely relying on your marathon videos. 2 to 3 questions were as it is from Swapnil Bhaiya's marathon class.
पूरी प्रिपरेशन, मतलब मैं अगर AceIPM में नहीं होता, अगर मैंने AceIPM नहीं लिया होता, I wouldn't have been here.
Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. AceIPM has been infamous for its marathon or accelerate batch, because in these specific last 1.5 months, I think the amount of effort our team puts in is miraculous, and it's inspiring for me also. So let me give you a disclaimer. Just because we are launching a crash course 2 months or 1.5 months before the examination doesn't mean that we will be covering our syllabus in a haphazard manner. We have that legacy of making sure that we help each and every single student who join us in these specific crucial days of your preparation. So if you haven't started your preparation, even if you have started your preparation, have done certain amount of syllabus, let's say you have completed your syllabus, in every single aspect, in every single situation, this batch is going to be helpful for you, because we ensure that not only we cover things from absolute basic to a higher level, we also solve so many questions that even if someone has finished their syllabus, this practice time, this live hour classes last in the night, that happens 5, 6 hours, they ensure that you are catered to, or you are exposed to so many wide and variety of questions. So that at the end of the day, when you sit for an examination, you can talk about, oh, Swapnil Bhaiya ne ek question class mein karaya tha. So nothing magical. The fact that I play with a lot of quantity, and when I'm exposing you to 5,000 question, or that 4,000 question before the examination, there is a good chance, or I increase the probability of matching a question in your exam as well. So let's get back to what the plan is, how we're gonna do it. Let's look into it. The batch starts from 30th March, but for science students, they can join this. They can start this batch or be in this batch from 15th March itself. So is it going to be a different batch? No, this is the same batch. It starts from 15th March also, but from 15th to 30th March, we're going to cover one module. From 30th March, we're going to start with another module. So even if you are joining us on 15th or 30th, doesn't make any big of a difference. It's just that you get to complete a certain percent of syllabus earlier with us, and this certain percent will again be repeated or again be tracked down back after once we have done that particular 4 modules. So if you are a science student and your examination gets finished over 11th, nearby to 11th or 12th March, join us from 15th March so that we can use your time, that particular crucial time, to start with some topics. And for rest of the stream of the students, any commerce students, any humanities students, can join us from 30th March. From 30th March, or specifically from 15th March, how is the day gonna look like? We're gonna have a 2-hour class in the morning at 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. for QA theory. Specifically, theory will be taught of QA, topics, identities, basic questions around that particular identity. Within next 1 hour, that is after 2-hour break, from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m, you will have a verbal class. Again, that verbal class will have both theory plus practice. After 1 hour gap, that is from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. This is just a 1 hour break for you guys. There will be an LR class. From after 7 p.m, there will be 1.5 hour break till 8, from 8:30 p.m. to again 1 a.m. There is no end line to it. From 8:30 p.m. to dhalti raat tak, wo shadi wala invitation, as long as it can go on. So we'll have that practice class, that marathon classes that we used to talk about. This particular day your particular day is going to look like this. How is that going to ensure that we are preparing in the best possible manner? Because in the daytime, when you are covering a specific theory of QA, what do you lack? Because of the fact that so many people have practiced so much, and that to be in so much variety. These people already have at a subconscious level, know that this language is gonna end up like this. This particular question is gonna end up like this. So this is what we aim for in these marathon classes. In the daytime, when you got theory, when you got a preface of what particular chapter is gonna look like, those particular chapters, interesting, or I would say difficult, or these my definition of difficult question was cute question, because that's where your mind has to be challenged. So we're going to challenge ourselves from that timeline of 8:30 p.m. to 1 a.m. I'm going to be taking these classes. Majority of them I'm going to aim for taking these classes. At least I'll ensure that I'll cover 5 modules. All 5 modules I'll be ensuring to cover it. Say it, arithmetic, algebra, modern maths, So this is how long I have been that I haven't taken classes, that I'm not able to remember the modules name. But still, it's arithmetic, algebra, modern maths, geometry, number system. I'm gonna ensure that all 5 modules are covered in that particular time space. And these classes are going to be regularly. There is no Sunday or Saturday in it. Given the fact that now your boards and examination are over, I'm aiming for that you give your every single day to us. Why am I having this kind of a confidence that, just join this batch and will increase the probability of cracking the examination? Not because of the fact that we are some, people who know how the paper is going to look like, but definitely we know that how that particular topic looks like. And from years, what we have done is that for a single topic, we cover a wide variety of sums. That wide variety of sums ensure that you are experienced in different languages at an early stage. Now that once you look at these languages, you know that for a fact that, okay, this particular language is going to go in this direction. This particular language requires this kind of a solution. That introductory phase itself is more than enough for us to, aim for that major topics of examination. It's been seen from so many years that 70% of the examination comes from 30% of the syllabus. That 30% of the syllabus has been repeating from so many years. So it's a clear historical pattern that we can rely on. And that historical pattern is gonna be our leverage point. We're gonna ensure that this 30% of that specific syllabus we are focusing very majorly on. Once it's done in the first few days of, let's say we're starting on 13th March, by 15th of April, we'll be done with that particular 30% syllabus in its depth. After that, you can start your mocks. Parallelly, you're going to write your mock. We're going to give you a specific timetable for that, both the things. These classes, marathon classes, timetable for mocks as well. However, we're going to pair these mocks are also very smartly done from so many years. So we're going to replicate that. We're not going to experiment too much with it. We're going to do what has been working for us, and hence we'll ensure that we are increasing the probability of cracking your examination. Fair enough. So good idea, sir. Nice, good inspiration, motivation. But still, I'm not convinced. So that's where our backed historical data comes into the picture. From so many years, we have been running this batch, and the result has been, even that we couldn't imagine. There have been students who started their preparation just after boards with us and ended up getting a rank in a single digit. I'm not going to name, I've already uploaded a video of this individual as an interview. But then there are other people as well who joined us, if not IPMAT' Indore, but the amount of effort that we put with both the parties sit together, all the stakeholders and put so much of efforts. If not Indore, they end up cracking at least Rohtak, Ranchi, Jammu, Bodh Gaya, right? So probably I can't guarantee you that, given the fact that if you'll just buy this batch and the exam, your result will be changed. But I can definitely assure you that when there is a certain party who's ready to get so much out from you, definitely the probability of you cracking the examination increases. So this is it. The plan is simple. 30th March if you're a commerce student, and if you are a science student, you can join us from 15th March itself. Everything will be there. Lectures that are already there will be there. Doubt solving will always be there. Mocks will always be there. Mocks, of all the examination, not just IPMAT' Indore. We're gonna not just aim for IPMAT' Indore. That will be our bigger scheme of things. That is our primary goal. But in that process, we'll also aim for, preparing you for all other examinations. Say it IPMAT Rohtak, JIPMAT, Christ's examination, say it NPAT. So we'll ensure that you are preparing for all the commerce or management domain examination. Okay, this is it. Thank you so much for listening to the end. The prices have been slashed down. Also, not only that, this batch is offered not just online. This is the twist this time. We're also offering this batch as offline as well. So you can check out on the website how to get into that offline batch. What are the price differences? We'll ensure that every single penny that you're spending on this course, it's worth the effort, or it's worth the value. Thank you so much. See ya.
Ready to ace IPM? Get started by going on AceIPM.com, and over there you'll see a free counseling button. You need to click on that and enter all your details so that one of your future seniors can get in touch with you and clarify all your queries about IPM and AceIPM. Thank you.